Weight loss may be a difficult goal to achieve, but with the right kind of diet and the right amount of exercise, you can shed kilos fast. If we get a special drink for burned fat easily, what will you do? Yes, today I am going to introduce a special drink for weight loss from a magical fruit. It can be used to fast weight loss with normal diet and small amount of exercise in short period. It consists of 2 ingredients including water extract from Garcinia Cambogia, a bit of turmeric powder and a 1/2 of water. Garcinia Cambogia, a tropical fruit also known as the Malabar tamarind, is a popular weight loss supplement. Malabar tamarind or kudam puli has been gaining considerable attention for its purported weight loss benefits. The peel of the fruit contains high amounts of hydroxycitric acid or HCA, which is the active ingredient believed to be responsible for most of its weight loss benefits. The supplements generally contain 20 to 60% HCA. Nevertheless, studies show that those with 50 to 60% HCA may provide the most benefit. The anti-obesity effects of hydroxycitric acid from Garciniavia regulation of serotonin level and glucose uptake. Besides, it also helps to enhance fat oxidation while reducing de novo lipogenesis. Turmeric is known to be good for the digestive system, which is key to shedding kilos. The curcumin compound in turmeric is the fat burner that you need to speed your weight loss journey. You must include turmeric in your daily diet, and in order to make it more effective and tastier, we suggest you add these healthy fat burners and stimulators to your tea in order to lose weight. How to prepare this magical drink? Allow to soak a piece of dried Garcinia in 1/2 glass of water 12 hours. After 12 hours, mix it well. Then have to boil well Garcinia for few minutes and reduce the amount of water up to 1 glass. Brown color extract pour to clean glass. Then add bit of turmeric powder. Now the preparation of magical drink is over. Now you got your drinks for weight loss. Remember, anything in excess is bad and unhealthy. Do not go overboard with consuming too much Garcinia and turmeric. You will need to pair with this drink a healthy diet and exercise. Some research has found that Garcinia Cambogia may improve cholesterol levels, lowering triglycerides and low-density lipoprotein or low-density lipoprotein bad cholesterol and raising high-density lipoprotein or good cholesterol. You shouldn't use it if you're already on a prescription for your cholesterol.